This video presentation was created for Horticulture 120, Computer Applications in Landscape Contracting. For this presentation, we will discuss 3D modeling and the impact it has on today's landscape and green industries. While we discuss how 3D modeling provides designers and clients with a virtual and lifelike view of a project, we will answer the question, what is 3D modeling? 3D modeling, in its simplest definition, is the ability to create three-dimensional virtual models. In the landscape industry, this is done using a variety of computer programs that use the same basic principles. 3D objects are created using a wireframe, and the simplest way of envisioning this is by drawing a cube. The ink from your pen is creating the wireframe. Of course, once the wireframe cube is created, the user is able to add textures and other materials to increase the depth and improve the detail of the model. Once a component is created on a 3D modeling application, it can be rotated 360 degrees so that all sides of the design can be viewed. There are multiple computer programs used for 3D modeling. Some of the software applications include Bonsai, Google SketchUp, AutoCAD, 3Divia, Idea Spectrum, iSculptor, KeyPad, and Vectorworks. Due to its versatility, Google SketchUp is one of the most widely used 3D modeling programs for landscape and design. Adding to its versatility, Google SketchUp can be downloaded by the user at no charge. AutoCAD is an oft-used, very advanced program, and for this, it is also one of the most expensive. Vectorworks was developed by Nemetschek North America and was made to work on both PC and Mac operating systems. iSculptor demonstrates the future in 3D modeling applications as they are made more mobile, intended for use with the iPad. Most of these programs are compatible, meaning that work done using one program can be saved and accessed by other programs. 3D modeling applications certainly are vital tools to the landscape industry. With 3D modeling, you are able to show a potential client the finished product before any construction takes place. Changes can easily be made to accommodate the client's specific needs before and after a presentation has been created. When applying the design to the actual construction processes, 3D modeling helps to further eliminate human error by allowing contractors to compare the real-life design to the 3D model. Before 3D modeling, two-dimensional hand drawings are used to show the client how the finished product would appear, which sometimes created a degree of ambiguity. Perspective drawings could be used, but it took great time and skill to create these. Now with 3D modeling, 2D designs come to life in multiple vantage points, and the client will know exactly what he or she will have when the project is completed. This is made possible by a virtual walkthrough. Designers and architects use 3D modeling to create an image of the finished product of jobs that could potentially take weeks of work to complete. This allows the designer to achieve a better visual of the project when working from a two-dimensional plan. Other advantages of 3D modeling programs include the incorporation of different perspectives and the ability to superimpose line weights, colors, shadows, and other features. In addition to these visual effects, there is the advantage of the implementation of different views, styles, and scales that are used in a 2D print. This feature shows how a landscape is going to look from almost any perspective possible. Not only do they offer the virtual walkthrough of the proposed landscape, but they also offer different styles in which the design can be used in the presentation. So what is a walkthrough? It is a relatively new feature that has been incorporated into 3D modeling programs. The walkthrough virtually takes you into the computer so you can situate yourself within the finished site. If done correctly by the designer, the client can virtually walk on their newly designed deck and see their newly landscaped backyard weeks, months, or even years before it is completed. This, of course, is a major selling point and can be a powerful tool for financial success. As with many situations, there are limitations and downsides. One major downside to 3D modeling is the relatively high cost of some of the programs and applications. An example of this would be AutoCAD with its $4,000 price tag. Another disadvantage is the complexity of these programs, and the learning curve is sometimes long and difficult to master. It oftentimes takes training to operate these programs properly and efficiently. Computer programs are also constantly being updated, making it difficult and costly to keep up to date with today's technology. In the landscape industry, it is advantageous to be efficient, and mobility plays a big role in this efficiency. The applications for iTouch, iPhone, and iPad allow for optimal mobility, but are sometimes limited in their 3D modeling capabilities. There is currently only one app available for Google SketchUp presentations. This app is 99 cents as does not allow a designer to work on a project. However, it does allow the designer to learn more about SketchUp. There are many online resources that are tailored to help someone learn how to use 3D modeling programs quickly and easily. 3DaVinci offers many resources in various forms. This site offers books and publications devoted to the use of 3D modeling on different programs and applications. They also have teaching information for free, so you can print out lessons and follow them step by step, learning how to use the application. If the hands-on approach is your preferred mechanism for learning, Autodesk offers a variety of seminars. These seminars travel to different areas of the country to teach a variety of applications offered by the company. As previously mentioned, these seminars can be very expensive, but also very helpful and informative. Lastly, Google SketchUp offers a variety of video tutorials to help you attain your goals of becoming proficient with the program. As you have seen from this video, 3D modeling has already made and will continue to make a great impact in the landscape industry. 3D modeling is very important for its ability to create 3D models, walkthroughs, and presentable videos to clients. As with any great tool, there are some limitations, but the advantages far exceed these limitations and disadvantages. From its ability to convert 2D drawings into 3D models to producing virtual walkthroughs, 3D modeling will continue to provide great benefits to the landscape and green industries.